In round 6, start with 1 chain stitch. Then work set of 5 single crochets, 1 decrease for 6 times through back loop solely. Finally, end with 1 snip stitch. Work 1 chain stitch first. A regular stitch, namely a V-shape, has 2 loops. Attention here. The loop far from us is a back loop. We'll crochet through the back loop solely in this round. Work 5 single crochets and 1 decrease as one set. Work 5 single crochets through back loop solely. Place a marker in the first single crochet through the underneath of both loops of the V shape. Work 4 more single crochets through back loop solely. Five single crochets through back loop solely are done. Next, work 1 decrease to combine 2 stitches into 1 stitch. Insert hook through the back loops of the next 2 stitches. Yarn over the hook and put the yarn through the 2 back loops on the hook. Then yarn over the hook and put the yarn through both loops on the hook. 1 decrease through back loop solely is done. 5 single crochets and 1 decrease are finished. One set is done. The second set. Work 5 single crochets through back loop solely. Next, work 1 decrease through back loop solely. The third set. Work 5 single crochets through back loop solely. Next, work 1 decrease through back loops only. The fourth set, work 5 single crochets through back loops only. Next, work 1 decrease through back loops only. The fifth set, work 5 single crochets through back loops only. Next, work 1 decrease through back loops only. The sixth set, work 5 single crochets through back loops only. Next, work 1 decrease through back loops only. Six sets are done. Remove the marker and work 1 snip stitch in the first stitch to join this round. Round 6 is done. In round 7, start with 1 chain stitch. Then work set of 2 single crochets, 1 decrease, 2 single crochets for 6 times. Finally, end with 1 snip stitch. Work 1 chain stitch first. Work 2 single crochets, 1 decrease, and 2 single crochets as one set. Work 2 single crochets. Mark the first single crochet. And work 1 more single crochet. Next, work 1 decrease. Insert hook through the front loops of the next 2 stitches. Yarn over the hook and pull the yarn through the 2 front loops and hook. Yarn over the hook and pull the yarn through both loops and hook. 1 decrease is done. Then work 2 single crochets. Two single crochets, 1 decrease, and 2 single crochets are finished. 1 set is done. The second set, work 2 single crochets. Next, work 1 decrease. Then work 2 single crochets. We have demonstrated 2 sets. Let's finish the rest of 4 sets by yourself. Work 2 single crochets, 1 decrease, and 2 single crochets as 1 set. 6 sets are done. Remove the marker and work 1 snip stitch in the first stitch to join this round. Round 7 is done.